Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a full review and test of this Laifen electric toothbrush. I do have to mention that they did send this out to me for this review, but I'm super excited to go ahead and check this thing out. So with that being said, let's go ahead and change the camera angle so we could take a closer look at this toothbrush. Alrighty, so here we have it. I just took it out of the other cardboard box, and I will say this thing comes packaged very nicely. So far I'm pretty impressed just by the packaging, and that's saying something. Alrighty, so here are the first looks at this electric toothbrush here. It seems like the box is actually on a hinge there, so we're gonna go ahead and put that to the side and just get everything out of the box. It looks like we get 3 different brush heads, so they're all in there. Let's go ahead and look at these brushes. So we have 3 different colors here. I assume they're all different like textures. So like one might be softer, one might be harder. I'll definitely take a look at that in a moment, but we do get 3 of these. We do also get a charging cable, and it's a very nice cable. It's actually a braided cable, so it's really nice. And we even get this adapter here. So you guys could just use the USB-C end, or you guys could plug this USB-C right there and charge it with the USB-A. And this is gonna be what we actually plug into the toothbrush here. So it should be on the bottom right there. It's magnetized, so you guys just get it near and it kind of just connects on its own. Hopefully you guys could see that. So easy charging, and this thing's solid. This is really heavy. In a good way. It just doesn't feel super light. It feels solid, like there's a good battery in here. And now let's see how these brushes connect. So it looks like we have a rubber cap that we have to remove. Now all we have to do is slide this on. All right, so I just found something that's going to be pretty useful because I have not read the instructions yet. So I probably should do that, and then I'll get back to you guys in just a minute. All right, so I just gave it a small charge, just enough so that we could kind of go through this demo. But there is a traveling mode on here, which I thought was nice. So if it gets bumped, it won't turn on. So I believe how you get to that is you press and hold the power button until you see the plane, and then do the exact same thing to get rid of that. Not too sure if you guys could hear that, but there's a little beep that happens as well. So to turn it on, just tap the power button. And as you guys could see, this actually moves side to side and vibrates. So it actually does 2 functions, which is probably the coolest thing about this. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick little demo here and tell you guys how this feels. I think right now we're using kind of like a medium bristle, so not too hard, not too soft. All right, so that's just a really quick test. And I do have to mention that there's actually an entire mobile app for this. So you guys could connect this to your phone and actually adjust some settings there as well, which is crazy for a toothbrush. So anyways, this thing does a great job. It's not too loud, and it definitely has some power to it. I love the fact that it rotates side to side while it vibrates. I think that's the coolest part about this. So anyways, that is it for the review of the Laifen electric toothbrush.